Hey everyone, come with me to open a package from my Secret Santa. I can smell it already. Oh no. Free. Ooh, lost sparkles. Oh my gosh, she left a really sweet note. This is her fruity scent soap. Beautiful. And this is her vanilla pumpkin marshmallow soap. Both smell amazing. Very cute socks. And this is her gingerbread lotion. Let's open it up. Smells amazing. Very moisturizing as well. Very cute stickers. And her business card. Absolutely loved everything that I got. So thank you so much, Ashley, and everyone watching, go support her small business.